Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. I'm the creator of the Divi Migration Helper plugin, and today we have a really big update. So, if you're familiar at all with the Migration Helper, it's our free plugin that we made for transitioning from Divi 4 to Divi 5, making it a lot easier. We have our own interface, has a lot more details than the default screen from Divi. It kind of goes on top of that and it just makes it way more interactive, has the step-by-step process, okay? So some of you probably already very familiar with it. We have extremely good feedback. It is like I get probably every day I get someone thanking me for making this tool, and it's really, really encouraging. But what we have done is we've actually taken it quite a step further, and this is going to be for advanced users. But basically, when you have a large website and you're trying to migrate it, it can time out, and there's nothing Divi can do about it. If you were to maybe you had 12,000 pages or whatever, and you're trying to migrate your website, there's not much you can do about it. You're going to get stuck and not be able to migrate. But our plugin solves that. So our plugin actually now integrates, it includes WP-CLI, that's the WordPress command line interface. And basically, if you don't know what this is, then you just kind of skip it and you don't need to really know anything about it. Just continue to use what we had before. But in summary, think of it like now we have two interfaces. So you have the normal interface that we've had already, where it's very visual when you click buttons. And then there's the command line. So that's when you're working in your terminal on your computer. So here on the WordPress website, wordpress.org/CLI. So it's everything that you would think that you can normally do, like when we're in the back end of WordPress, when we're in the admin area, you can also do from the command line. And so this is a WordPress feature. Um, Here you can automate anything and extend it. Well, that's what we've done. Because of this being built now into Divi Migration Helper, you are able to migrate large websites or any website, but specifically with large ones, now it's not dependent on your browser, right? And so you can get around that by using this tool. This is exclusive. You won't be able to get this from just straight Divi. You will need our extension for this. So it obviously is like a new engine. It's like I like to think of it this way. I like to think of it as like we have our visual interface step by step, and then we have the command line interface. So it's almost like we've taken the migration process and given you like two options for like really beginner users and really advanced users, or if you just like convenience. So yeah, you can run large migrations. Here's information about that. The nice thing is, I mean, if you're already using an AI agent in your, in your workflow already, you can actually integrate that into your workflow here. So here's where I mentioned two interfaces, showing your interface in the plugin and then the command line. Now you can certainly learn more in the docs. In fact, you can head over there and get an overview of everything, recommended workflow, upgrading to Divi 5 and checking the migration status, previewing the migration, running the migration, checking the backwards compatibility. You can roll back if you need to. Here's a list of available commands. And here is an available MD file. You can download this. You can work with it as it's a reference markdown file. So this has everything you need in it. So anyhow, hope you appreciate that. And again, this is definitely something for advanced users. Um, it's a little different than coming in here and, clicking through this kind of process, right? Like, step by step. It's a little bit different. But it's really cool that now there are, two angles to approach this, whether you want it the guided, very visual guided approach, or you want the automated approach. And I I think it's actually really honoring that we are providing this solution. Hopefully, Elegant Themes can refer people to us because it is such um, it's an exclusive feature, and it took a lot of work, and I'm very proud of it. And I hope you enjoy it and appreciate it as well. If so, definitely head over to this page. In fact, I don't even know where it's at, but somewhere on here you can leave reviews. Here it is. We have 9 5-star reviews so far. Please add on to that. I love that. I'll reply to you if you're enjoying this free resource. A bunch of you are donating, and that's really heartwarming, and I really appreciate that. So thank you, and thank you for all the positive feedback.